Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine and stay at home and happy. Yeah. So today we will learn about the passive voice sentences. Yeah. Do you know passive? Passive sentence is the sentence that we use to express the action is done, yeah, by us. And then this time I'll explain it to you, passive voice. Di sini kita akan belajar pasif, kalimat pasif ya. Kalimat pasif itu dari kalimat aktif kita rubah menjadi kalimat pasif. Kalimat pasif seperti ini ya, contohnya bentuknya to be plus past participle, kata kerja ketiga ya. Contohnya, it is used when the focus on the action is not important, who or what is performing the action, but the action itself is important. The streets are clean, books are written, house is built. Okay. Nah, kalau bentuk simple present, everyone is invited. Some people are not around. Are not invited. Is everyone invited? Ini bentuk positif, negatif, dan kalimat tanya. Sekarang passive voice kita pelajari dulu. Kali kalimat aktif, somebody cleans this room every day. Ya. When object, the active sentence become the subject of the passive. Jadi kalimat aktifnya kita rubah menjadi kalimat pasif. Somebody cleans this room every day. This room object. Nah, this room ini objek kita jadikan subjek. This room kita tambah to be. To be simple present adalah is, am, are. Nah, yang cocoknya adalah this room is tunggal ya. Is kata kerja clean-nya, kata kerja pertama kita rubah menjadi kata kerja ketiga, clean every day. Kita lihat di keterangan waktunya every day, makanya dia menggunakan simple present tense. Pasif, the verb be ya, kita menggunakan be, has to be in the same tense as in active sentence. Someone stole my sister bike yesterday. Nah, bentuk simple past tense-nya ya, yesterday, bentuk lampau. My sister bike itu adalah objek, kita jadikan subjek. My sister bike was stolen yesterday. Stole past simple adalah to be-nya was atau were, sedangkan tadi simple present di atas ya. Sekarang, to show who did the action, we use by. Untuk menyatakan kita bahwasanya ada orang yang melakukannya, kita tambahkan by. Ada juga kalimatnya, this house was built by my grandfather. By itu oleh. Rumah ini dibangun oleh ayah saya, dibuat. To show who did the action, we use by. This house was built by my grandpa. Jadi kita mau menyatakan kejadian atau kegiatan itu dilakukan oleh siapa? Seperti contoh ini, by my grandpa. Jadi dari kata pronoun itu kita ganti I menjadi me, objeknya ya. You jadi you, tetap we, us, she, her, he, him, they, them. Jadi kita harus tahu ini dulu. Kalau dia subjeknya I, maka dia berubah menjadi objeknya me. I open the door. I open kata kerja kedua. Berarti dia simple past tense. Nah, the door itu jadikan dari objek menjadi subjek. The door was opened by I, berubah menjadi me untuk objeknya. By me. She cleans the room. The room is cleaned by her. She, subjek menjadi objek. Her nanti kita rubah, nanti cleans the room menjadi subjek. The room is cleaned by her. Ya, if you are not sure how to form passive sentence, the active sentence first. Pikirkan kalimat aktifnya dulu. Someone stole my sister bike yesterday. Yesterday berubah menjadi my sister bike was stolen yesterday. Passive voice present simple, ini rumusnya ya. To be, subject, to be, am, is, are, not, dalam bentuk negatifnya tambah not, lalu past participle kata kerja ketiga ya. The grandma is always invited. Nenek selalu diundang. Many accidents are caused by dangerous driving. Are caused. Banyak kejadian kecelakaan disebabkan oleh supir yang berbahaya ya. I'm not invited to parties. I'm not. Itu bentuk negatifnya tambah not. Setelah to be ditambah not. How many people are injured in the car accident every year? Are injured. Nah, itu dia menyatakan kalimat tanya, how many people, seberapa banyak orang yang terluka sebab kecelakaan mobil setiap tahunnya. Oke, ini simple past tense-nya tadi. Simple present rumusnya subject to be is mr plus kata kerja 3. Lalu ini past tense-nya subject plus were, kalau dia negatif tambah not plus kata kerja 3 past participle. This room was clean during the night. We were woken up by a loud explosion. When was the castle built? This house wasn't damaged in the storm. Ini ya bentuk lampau ya. When was the castle built? Okay, rewrite. Nah, ini ditulis ulang bentuk positif ini ya, kalimat aktif ini menjadi kalimat pasif. He opens the door. Yang mana subjeknya he, kata kerjanya open, the door-nya sebagai objek. Nah, kita rubah dulu. Di mana objeknya menjadi subjek? The door. Nah, karena dia open simple present, maka open-nya ditambah to be is opened by him. The table was, we set the table. The table objeknya jadikan subjek. The table was set. We menjadi us ya, by us. Objeknya. Somebody lost the letter. Kau ni mama lagi sibuk. Okay, continue. Next, the 4 service is included in the bill. Ya. The bill includes a service. Service is included in the bill. They invited Uncle Adrian. Uncle Adrian was invited. Nah, jadi berubah ya. Kata kerja 1 dia simple present, aktifnya kelihatan. Kalau kata kerja 2 dia simple past tense. Write sentences from the word in bracket using. Tulis kalimat di dalam kotak dalam kurung. Ya. Lihat contohnya. The office clean every day. Berubah menjadi the office is clean every day. Sudah dipisah-pisah ini ya. There is room clean every day. Are these room clean every day? Kalimat tanya. Berarti to be-nya di depan. Glass is made from sand. Yeah. Number 4. Stem cell in are sewed. Cell berubah jadi kata ketiga, are sewed in a post office. This room is not, isn't used very often. Are we allowed to park here? How is this word pronounced? Ini contoh kembali ya. Bentuk simple past tense-nya. The house paint last month menjadi the house was painted last month. Okay? Number 2, 3 people injured in the accident. The 3 people were injured in the accident. My bicycle was stolen a few days. When was this bridge built? Kalimat tanyanya menggunakan when was. Were you invited to the party last week? How were these windows broken? I wasn't woken up by the noise. Okay, student, I think enough today. I hope you understand. If you have any question, you may send WhatsApp or to me, or you write in your Google Classroom forum. Okay, thank you for your attention. See you. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.